What's up guys, welcome back again. So previously we tried to find some of the best camera apps that we have in a couple of videos, and I already posted 2 videos and I'm still making third video, and we find out which one the camera apps is the best for you. So today we are going to find out some of the best recording apps for the calls, and we call it call recorder, and my selection criteria for them is as follows. I start searching in the Play Store simply by typing the word call recorder, but the obvious sense that anyone will do, and I try to just figure out which one we can download. So first I downloaded most of the top apps that came in the initial searching, as like you can see. I went down and show more, start seeing the rating of the apps, and if rating is around 4.2, 4.3, or maybe more, some even app I have saw 4.8, 4.6, and they are recently launched. And I just randomly try to search couple of apps and which are new, just recently launched. So I have read many of the reviews of each app before downloading and trying them, and because some apps may be stable, but due to new feature and with the new OS they crashes, because I found some of the apps are not working in the Marshmallow, and especially one app is not working on the Nexus devices. So try to search for not most helpful, search for most recent, because helpfuls are came from the Google search engine itself. So recents are whichever is the top came from the recent reviews, right? So before we seeing our apps, let's see initially what are the things that we like to have in our call recorder apps, right? So I have a couple of features that I have listed out. Maybe these are the recommended and used for you also. The first thing is that the app should automatically record calls by default without going and opening the setting apps in the app settings itself. And like you just install app and it should work in the background. You don't need to go and configure. By default it should be enabled. This is the first one. The second, it should do the basic job and record both incoming outgoing. And I saw many of the reviews, like people are saying it's not recording incoming, it's recording going outgoing. So that's all the things are there. And third things like so it's definitely must add on to have the integration of cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive. The fourth one, it should be working hidden. I mean, it should not be showing the notification whether it's recording whatever you maybe your process may. You shouldn't be showing in the notification bar, right? Your phone is recording the call, so there's no should be beep sound. It's able to share and move to another memory location if your phone support SD card and is installed in the phone memory. So this is the fifth. And sixth one is it should recover file deleted. It's not mandatory condition, but it's a good feature. And the last is the most important, is the app should have a inbuilt password protection. Whenever you open app, you get some password there. For example, if you have in the OneDrive app, you see you got the password here. So it should be very better feature, because your recording may be personal, or it may can damage or harm you, or may can do something, whatever you can understand it, right? I have a 10 of apps as I told today, and if you guys see here, I will just rotate my camera here for you. I have made a exactly a Excel sheet for you guys. Maybe you can see here, right? So I have all the apps listed here, names and feature, everything, and I will show you guys and share with you if you guys want it. So whatever things are there, I just made a tick box yes and no. You can see here, and app names and which password is cycle being shared, hidden there, cloud, IO recording, input out means incoming outgoing, auto enabled. So comments, if is there any. So I have done all these things for you guys, and I am doing this from last 3 days to record all the things for you here. So let's start. So first app that we will see here is the automatic call recorder. It's called ACR, and this is one of the most of the popular app. You can say it's got lots of download, and it feature wise it's auto enabled, yes. And second feature that we say, whether it's recording incoming outgoing, yes it is recording, and whether it has a cloud connection, yes it has there. But that's definitely going to be, it has the most among the all the dozens app I tried. This ACR app has the most of the cloud integration. You can see Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, WebDAV, FTP, Auto Gmail, so many things. But unfortunately they are paid. If you're looking for these feature, you need to buy those feature, and the app cost is around somewhere, I need to check it out. Maybe if you go to premium one, you can check it there. And hidden feature wise, it's not working hidden. You have to enable it by going to setting here, and by default it will show the icon on the notification. You have to change it there, then it will go there. Should see show notification when enabled. So I have to manually disable it. So you need to do some kind of settings out here. And the share feature of the files are available here. And the only app I found till now, it has the recycle bin feature. I mean, you can recover the files here if you have deleted something, and yes, it does have password protection, and it apps works absolutely fine. And in case you want to remove ads and get some premium feature like drop cloud integration, so definitely you can buy ahead. And this is very also lots of reviewers have editor choice, this has this app there, but I'm looking for some sort of all these features that I can get in the freeware, except this recycle bin I'm not worried about, so I can have a drop cloud integration, so it can easily go there. And the second app we have here is the automatic call recorder. So this is also, guys, I have used this app around more than 2 years, you can say. It's just kind of very nice app, and it records so many things here. It works most of the times, and feature wise we see here, it has all the things like it records input output calls, and it does have the cloud integration also. You can integrate to Google Drive here, and Dropbox here is available for you, and it works in hidden. Yes, it's not at all, but it shows after summary in the settings. You can go and disable it, and you can easily share the files that you have there. You can see you got the share option. You can share whatever default options come for you. There is no recycle bins, and as I said, only this ACR app has got that feature, and it does have the password protection here. This app doesn't have password protection. Password protection. You need to check it out there manually. So you need to think about, because it's not password protected, so maybe in the future pro version they are giving this features available, but that is too high, 435 or somewhere comes to $4 for you in case in US citizen. So for the freeware, if you're not of much privacy concern, you can definitely go ahead with this automatic call recorder app. It's kind of very nice, and it does works all the times and easily plays, and you can easily save it in the, when you do it save, it will save to your default location, and you can even customize the locations. And next app we will go here is the call recorder, and it also works very fine. It doesn't have much feature in it, but yeah, it's a nice app. Password protection there, you need to download a third-party app from their app vendor itself, so it's not recommended you use this thing if you install that app and you need any third-party app to make your things recorded. And it doesn't have recycle bin and has no password protection also. And let me confirm the cloud integration. I don't think so I'm saying this. So there is no cloud integration also, guys. In case you are not looking for cloud integration, this app is fine. Just got a simple interface, and it does work most of the times. No problem here. The next app we go here is the call recorder. And guys, this app is not working, and I tried. So this app is not working. There is no password protection. You can see I have not able to see any recordings for it here. It just shows it's enabled, but I didn't find any recorder. So even though it has password protection and all, so I'm not going to recommend this app. If something is not working, why should any recommendation is needed? So this is neglected by me, even though it has 4 out of 2 ratings, but it's not working on Marshmallow Nexus 6. So maybe you can try it out in your systems. I won't say for the Nexus it's going to work. And another apps we have here is the CallX, and it does work. You can see here it's able to record my call. I used it today and yesterday itself, and it has all the things. It records both incoming, outgoing. Its cloud features are there. You can links to Google Drive and Dropbox. It's not hidden. You have to manually make it disable. It shows the notification pane, and there's no share option here. If I let me check here, you don't find any share option. Let me to click here. Yes, you will get share option by this one. You have to hard press it here. Okay. And other things, there is no password protection is there, I guess. Yep, it's there. Memory setting, pin protection, right? You can protect your app using the pin protection here, the same as the aka password protection. So this is nice app. It is freeware. You just have to remove ads if you want to pay it. And some features like auto sync and auto Dropbox share, you will get these features. This is also nice app. You can do it there. You can filter with call, contacts, unknown things, and but doesn't work. Every time we're showing the same thing via call, via contacts. So I don't know what is that, but anyhow it records call, you can see here, and you have the basic things. And the next app we have is Kalu. And Kalu is actually called Automatic Call Recorder Pro, and I'm gonna use this app only among the 10. and this is my today's winner. Why? Because see, it has all the things except this recycle bin. Most of the things are there, they are all free, complete Dropbox, password, and the important thing is that it's like simple. Just one drawback here, there is no filter here for it. I mean, you can get the incoming, outgoing, you can just get all calls if you have favorite, and filter wise you need to create something, then maybe you will get it there. And notification, Dropbox, share, change theme, and you can easily use, see the, we can change the theme here internally, and this is also, that's why it's nice, and the simple interface, things are there, much happy things, it's not a problem. So this is the app that I'm going to use it for a couple of days, and got shake to record feature, and it does work for most of the calls, it records everything. So compared to ACR, it has a cloud things free but no recycle bin, and it has everything whatever we discussed, those all 7 features. Okay, and the next app we here is the Call Recorder Pro, and let me show you 2 things, guys. I got 2 apps with different developer, and they all got exactly same features, and except this icon changes. I will show you here. This is the Call Recorder Pro, and it does work. Just got simple thing, just recording calls, nothing at, and it's hidden, but no Dropbox, no share feature, no recycle bins, no password, and just working, and it's got annoying pop-up ads. So I'm not going to recommend this. You can see here just couple of simple features, developer, info, call, and that's why I'll show you another app. This is second app that's called Same Recorder. I don't know, developer looks like some Chinese person, that's why. You can see here this both apps have the same feature, and let me come to settings here. This is the second app and this is the first app. You can see here all things are safe. So there may be conditions, apps may have different name, but internally they may have the same developers who has created for you, just to, you know, if some have got bad rating, and maybe user got bored of and they try to switch to some other app. So that's how people are doing. And we have here the next Call Recorder free. And I'm not sure, guys, the problem with the app here, and it does shows recording, but you can see here it shows the size 0 byte, 0 byte, 0 byte, 0 byte, and it's not even played, cannot play any songs you any recording you play, it doesn't come here. So I don't know, it shows recording, but why it's not recording. And maybe if you have to go to full version and then it will record calls, so definitely, guys, I don't think so this is a needed thing. But it has things like cloud storage and all things. So whatever things are there, I don't think it's working, because if it is not playing the calls, I'm not sure for what reason it shows this not able to play the call. Let us go to setting and see. Installed it, it will ask for your select your devices, and I'm not able to see the Motorola phones, much of the phones here. IJKLM, you can see here it shows the Nexus 5 LG, but there is no Motorola, only Motorola Droid here. There is no Motorola Nexus 6, and I don't know why there's no Google name with. So this app also is not going to work. Maybe if you have some older phone, and maybe if your phone is listed out there in the settings menu, then definitely it's going to work it there. And my Nexus 6 and Nexus 6P, and it's not working on there too. And this is the last one, record my call, and it does works, and it got all the features like cloud, hidden features, hidden share feature, also no recycle bin, got password protection too. And you can come here the settings down here, you can see security, you can enable the password, and Dropbox integrations are there. And recording wise, it does interface are simple, nothing much there, just timing configurations here, and it does records call. You can easily play it there. You can see it's able to play it there. You got editing option, you can save the numbers, you can make the folder and sort it. So this is there. So today's my winner is, guys, this Call You. Why? Because this is free app, and you don't need to I don't know, this premium version is not working, and maybe the app developers are in the progress to make some changes. So as of now, but you will get most of the things except the recycle bin on the free app. So if I have 2 apps here, ACR and the Call You, so I will recommend Call You, because you don't need to if you need only cloud services, then it is there in the Call You, but in the ACR you need to pay for that. So I don't think so it's necessary to pay for that and go for ACR to that. Then today I will recommend Call You, right? So let me know, guys, what else you are using, and if it is suggested for other users or not. And maybe in the next week or after a few days I will try to come up with another 10 apps and try to see which of the apps are best came in 2016 for the call recording purpose. And stay tuned here, and don't forget to watch the the 100 marshmallow bucks that I have filed and the camera apps. And maybe after day after tomorrow, I'm going to launch the third series of the camera app. I found other camera apps and so many things I'm working out. So stay tuned, guys, and let me know in the comments and give me thumbs up if I helped you, and do subscribe me, help you. So alright guys, I'll talk to my next video.